Join our driving test tips webinar, Thursday 16 January at 7:30 p.m. This week's topic, from test center to test day, the essentials for passing your driving test. Are you preparing for your driving test and wondering how to maximize your chances of success? Our upcoming webinar has all the answers you need. What you'll learn: roadcraft mastery, learn to navigate tricky junctions and anticipate hazards like a pro. Choosing the right test center, understand why pass rates aren't everything. Top preparation tips, get actionable advice to boost your confidence and performance. Maximize resources, learn how BDS Academy, www.bds.ac, can help you succeed. And here's the best part, our team at BDS has created resources to guide you every step of the way. Plus, we've got a little New Year's surprise for you, valid until 17 January. Visit www.bds, London, X-Mars voucher. And tick, learn to drive, off your bucket list. Join our webinar on 16 January at 7:30 p.m. To register, go to www.bds, London, DTT.